Hello, it's Danny Barnes, Director of Agent Relations. Hope everybody's doing great. Hope everybody had a great New Year's. I'm here with Madeline King, Loan Officer with Excellence Mortgage. We're glad to be back. We've been a couple weeks off, but Madeline's going to talk a little bit about last year and how the rates are now and things are going forward with Excellence Mortgage. So good to see you. I hope you had a great New Year's
I
and
sure did,
holiday.
Danny. It's great to see you as well. It's great to be back on Mortgage Mondays again. It was a crazy December. It was a crazy 2020.
Yeah.
I'm sure we're all glad to put that behind us, and we're all looking forward to new stuff with 2021. And yes, things are definitely running a lot smoother than we were in the past at 20, right in the peak of the whole COVID situation with rates and the banks being, as overwhelmed as they were. We are still looking at some of those challenges because, rates are at historic lows, which means it's a great opportunity to buy right now and take advantage of that. But it's not quite as overwhelming as it was last year. So we're really looking forward to a great 2021. Lenders have eased up a bit. A lot of businesses are reopened again. Despite what's still, the fact that we have a vaccine is great because everything is just much more on a positive note these days. So, but we really want to stress the fact that rates are still in superb condition, and lenders have again eased up, and underwriting turn times are much better, and guidelines have almost normalized. So we're very excited about that, and we're definitely looking forward to a great 2021.
Good. And you're as busy as ever, right?
Yes, we continue to be busy, and so happy about that. Not complaining at all. We're always looking forward to staying busy and helping our agents.
Yeah.
So,
And they're always available with any questions. The easiest way to get to Excellence Mortgage is we have our own personal page on excellencerealty.com. If you go to your page, you can send a link to your buyers, apply for a loan. And then that way Excellence Mortgage knows that it's coming from Danny Barnes or Susie Smith. The other way, go to excellencemortgage.com directly, apply for a loan. Your buyers can do that too. But and the third way, we've launched a new platform, Excellence Hub. If you need to message Madeline or have a question, you can message her there too. That's the third preferred way, but they're always available. And you were going to mention the rush pre-approvals, I believe.
absolutely, we did talk about that a couple of times before, but I just wanted to put that out there again. We do have the ability to do a rush pre-approval for you, and we'll get that back to you within 2 hours. So that's great. There's always going to be somebody available to do that on the weekends. And that's been working out well so far. We do ask that you respect and use it only when absolutely necessary, because we want to make sure that you guys get those approvals on a timely manner. We know that your time is valuable as well, and if you got to go see somebody, we want you to have that in hand. So we're here for you on that aspect as well.
That's such a valuable resource. Now, do you know how they get a hold of you on the weekends? Is there a special, do we know?
They usually send out, Javier will message the agents with who's on call.
Right.
And so we'll get that information from our
Yeah, who's on call for the
agents. Will
weekend,
know
right?
who to contact. Yeah.
We need to make sure we're doing that. I don't know if I got it. I mean, we've been through the holidays, so maybe that's one reason why I haven't gotten it. But that's such a great tool. I think I get them on Fridays. Like, hey, Lewis is going to be available this weekend.
Right.
Call him. So I love that.
And again, you can always, like you mentioned, reach me on the hub or Lewis, and we'll definitely try and help you guys out. We're a team here, so just reach out to us, and one of us will definitely get back to you.
Awesome. Well, that's good news on the rates. Everything seems to be great. And anything else you might want to add?
Just that we're here for you, and we really want to work closer this year than before, and get things rolling as soon as possible with January just getting going, and just make sure that all the open lines of communication are available to you. And we're looking forward to a great 2021.
Yeah, and at least give us the opportunity. I mean, I closed a deal a long time ago with one of my buddies who was going through a local lender. And, I mentioned Excellence Mortgage to him. And at first he's like, I'm going to stick with my local lender. And called me a couple days later. He's like, it wouldn't hurt to talk to Excellence Mortgage. Long story short, closed the deal. Great deal. You guys even helped him find homeowners insurance. You crushed the rate. You crushed the monthly payment. There's nothing wrong with giving your buyers other options if, if they're going to go with somebody. If they ask, do you have somebody you might suggest? And, at least try Excellence Mortgage out. And my buyer had an amazing experience with Excellence Mortgage. So
awesome. That's good to hear.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're always there, we do help with, like you said, the insurance quotes as a courtesy, and inspections as well. So anything that we can do to make it a smooth transition.
Yeah, you saved him a couple $100 off his homeowner's insurance, and he was very excited about that. But listen, it's good to see you. It's good to be back on Mortgage Monday. We typically do this every 2 weeks, and lots of pertinent information. And other than that, thanks for joining us.
Awesome, Danny. It's great to see you. Good to see
you
everyone.
too. As always, together moving forward. Everybody take care.
Thanks, Danny. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.